OK, to other worldly things now, because now at 48 million miles away, Mercury is, in space terms, quite close. Yeah, it is. But in order to get a spacecraft into its orbit takes 7 years. So when you get there, you want a good view.
Yes, scientists in Leicester have been working on the imaging gear of a new space mission. And believe it or not, they've based it on a lobster. Giles Taylor reports.
So far, this high-tech device has travelled just 3 miles to the National Space Centre, but soon it will be embarking on a 48 million mile voyage as part of the BepiColombo satellite. It's a joint project between the European and Japanese space agencies, but Leicester has played a key role.
Designed, developed and built over more than a decade at the university is the Mercury Imaging X-ray Spectrometer, and we're going to use that instrument specifically to look at the surface of Mercury and work out exactly in exquisite detail what it's made of, and that will give us a lot of information about the history of the planet.
Oh, it's so exciting. BepiColombo is Europe's newest mission, but we're really excited because of that Leicester link. Leicester designed and built the MIXS instrument that's going to Mercury in a couple weeks' time. So we're so thrilled just to be celebrating that local connection.
The technology is based on the eyes of lobsters, which are able to reflect rays over long distances. In this case, X-rays will be used to determine the materials that make up the surface of the planet. Well, the satellite will be launching from South America in the early hours of the 20th of October, but from there it will be an agonising 7-year wait until it reaches Mercury's orbit.
There's a bit of wondering what's happening, but also we will have plenty of opportunities to check out that our instrument is okay. We do 6 monthly checkouts for the instrument. We also have a lot of work to do in preparation for arrival at Mercury.
What does the telescope do?
Many of the children here today will be well into their teens by the time the satellite arrives in orbit.
I think the most exciting part of the mission is the telescope, how it's going to reach Mercury, if it's going to crack or anything.
Giles Taylor, BBC East Midlands Today, Leicester.